Sushi, welcome back and I am back with my दुकान. As you guys can see, मैंने ये सारा सामान यहाँ पे arrange करके रखा हुआ है because today's video is going to be about Nykaa's Pink Friday haul that just happened. And मैंने सोचा कि क्यों ना मैं आप लोगों के साथ share करूँ जो products मैंने खरीदे from the haul, and I would also be reviewing some products from this brand called Too Faced, which is actually my current favorite brand and I'm totally loving it. So yes guys, let's begin. The products that I'm trying for the first time and I haven't bought them before. So first of all, I'll start with this product which is very interesting. It's an eyeshadow and it's called Too Faced Crystal Whips, and this particular variant is known as Totally Whipped. So the best part about this is that you have this applicator. It's like a lip gloss, but you just have to take the color and start applying on your eyelid. And as you can see, I have applied it here on my eyes today, and it has that very subtle shimmery shiny look, which is enough to give you that radiance but also subtle to not make it over the top. So I got this product for $17.50, and this particular product was not on sale, but there was an offer going on the brand Too Faced. So if you buy something that is either up to 2,200 rupees or up to 3,000, then you would get some freebies and some free gifts, which I have got and I'm going to talk about. But yeah, so this was the MRP at which I bought it. I really liked it. So yes, you guys should definitely try this one. Then I bought this other thing which is called Too Faced Peach Lip Scrub. Also guys, I am in love with the packaging of this brand. It's so cute. It's all peachy and pinky and all the pastel shades. So I just love the packaging, and you feel so good when you hold these products in your hand. Like, it's really nice. So this is a lip scrub that I've bought, and honestly guys, this is the first ever lip scrub that I've ever bought in my life. It smells divine, and guys, it tastes awesome as well. Like, obviously there's sugar in it, so when you apply you can actually taste the sweetness. So it's really good, and I've used it once or twice after I've bought this one, and yeah, it's a nice product, although I feel it's a bit expensive. You can get a lot of lip scrubs which are not as expensive as this one. I got this one for 1,700 bucks, which is again at the MRP. Yeah, so I think you can make lip scrubs at home, and you don't really need to invest so much in lip scrubs. This was a complete impulsive buy, but I would suggest that you guys can go for a different brand which is available at low cost and of course has good quality products as well, like the Body Shop or any other brand for that matter. Alright, now let's talk about the freebies that we've got with the Too Faced products. Sabse pehle, let's talk about this Too Faced mirror that I got. Now this is something that I chose because they give you a choice between one of the merchandises. That I picked this one. Honestly, I was expecting a better quality mirror from Too Faced because I have even in the past got like mirrors from L'Oreal and MAC, so the quality of those mirrors are really good, and I was expecting this one to be even more cute because considering the packaging that these guys have, I thought the mirror would be like very cute, but it's not bad. I think it'll do the job, and the best part about this is that it's two-sided. So in the first one you can see your normal face, and in the second one it's a bit zoomed in, so you can see all your flaws, basically सारी pores and pimples दिखेंगे आपको. But yeah, it's good for applying makeup and stuff. So yeah, it's a good thing, but again, not what I expected. Then I got this Too Faced mini lipstick which is called as Sex on the Peach. So I got this and this in the same pack. So this is your peach lip balm, which again smells amazing, and it's a lip balm, so I mean it's good and it's moisturizing. It's a nice lip balm. But this lipstick is what I'm wearing right now, and honestly if you see, the packaging is amazing. It's a mini and the color is something that I thought would be dark brown. Like after seeing this I thought thoda dark hoga, I guess thoda zyada pigmented hoga, but it's a little grayish brown if you see on my lips. So it is something that I never had. Like this is the shade that I've applied for the first time, and I'm actually quite liking it because it's nude but it's thoda towards the darker side of the nude, so it's nice, and I think it's going with the eyeshadow as well, so I'm kind of liking the whole look. Now the last freebie that I got from Too Faced is this hangover primer, which is infused with coconut water. I haven't used this as of now, so I really can't comment on how it actually is, but yeah, it's a small sachet and it's a tester, so I shall be testing it soon and I'll let you know if I like it or not. If you guys have already used this and if you have any reviews, then please do share it with me in the comments below. Yeah, so these were the freebies, and now I have one special product which I didn't buy from the sale, but I had bought it earlier and I have been using it for a while and I really love it. It's the Too Faced lip gloss, and this one is known as the Sunset Crush. So this is the first Too Faced product I ever tried and I fell in love with it instantly. I have actually worn this lip gloss in my first YouTube video. You guys can see here as well. I am in love with this shade, and you know, the texture and the pigmentation is amazing. You can wear it alone like a lip gloss, or you could you know, always pair it with a lipstick, and yeah, it's super good. So this is something that I didn't buy from this sale, but since we're doing a Too Faced product review, I thought I should include this because this is amazing. Okay guys, so the next product that I bought from the sale is this Tangle Teaser hairbrush. The MRP of this brush is 1600 rupees and I got it for about 1200. This is the most expensive hairbrush I've ever bought, and my mom was shocked कि 1600 रुपए का, I mean मुझे 1200 में मिला, बट 1200 रुपए का हेयर ब्रश कौन लेता है. बट गाइज यू नो, मैंने क्या सोचा, आई थॉट कि हम ऐसे ही इतने सारे पैसे खर्च कर देते हैं विदाउट इवन थिंकिंग, लाइक ऑन फूड एंड ऑन, you know, we go out with our friends and we don't think about the money that we spend. So why not actually spend it on something that is important, like your hair? It is so important, right? This will help you detangle your wet hair, and I have used this once, and guys, it actually works. इसके जो ब्रिसल्स हैं वो थोड़े अलग तरह से डिज़ाइन किए गए हैं. आई वुडंट से कि बिल्कुल भी कुछ फील नहीं होता एंड एकदम स्मूथली यू नो डिटैंगल हो जाता है, नहीं. But it's much better than, you know, any other comb that I've used so far or any other hairbrush that I've used so far. So yeah, this is especially for my wet hair because I personally have this issue that whenever I try and detangle my wet hair, you know, it just gets stuck and then I'm not able to kind of detangle it, and then you know there's hair fall and blah blah blah. So I thought, why not try this? So yes guys, मुझे honestly ये product इतना बुरा नहीं लगा, although yes, this is super expensive. So I wouldn't say that ठीक है, you guys should go and definitely buy this. But if you are looking at giving something new a try, then this could be that product. Along with the brush, I also got these hair ties free. Yeah, it's like I've gotten 3 hair ties, which I mean hair ties तो काम आ ही जाएंगे, so it's definitely very useful, and I'm gonna use this, and I'm gonna be careful about not losing these, and I'm gonna keep them safe. So yeah, I think it's a good freebie. And lastly, I have bought this Nykaa Skin Soft Cotton Wipes. Now these are your cotton pads, and this is the first time that I've bought Nykaa's cotton pads, because earlier I used to use, I think, of this brand called Belle or Belle, I don't know how you pronounce it, but then I saw that you get like 80 of these in just 150 rupees, which is amazing. So I thought of trying these out, and these are really good. So it comes in a sealed pack, and all you have to do is just take the cotton pad out, and even the quality of this pad is really nice. Like, it's thicker as compared to the other cotton pads that I've used before. So the quality is very nice, and it's kind of resealable, so you can just seal it, and then these are ready to use. So guys, these were the products that I bought from Nykaa's Pink Friday sale. I hope you guys liked the video, and if you did, you know the drill. You have to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, what you've got to do is you've got to tell me about these products. I mean, अगर आपने ये पहले use किए हैं, then let me know how and what you think about them in the comment section below. And I'm going to be listing the link of each and every product in the description. So अगर आपको ये जाके खरीदना है, then you can definitely click on the link below and just go and buy the product. So yes guys, that's it from my end for today, and I will see you next week with another video. Till then, bye.